Today we're working on multiplying matrices. When you're multiplying matrices, you need to figure out a couple of things first. First off, is it viable to actually multiply the two matrices together? And you do that by writing down the size. So this first one is a 2 by 2. The second one is a 2 by 2. You compare these two numbers that are lined up. If they are the same, then yes, that is something that we can multiply. From there, to figure out the size, use these two pieces right here. So our matrices, our answer, will be a 2 by 2 matrix. All right, so let's take a look at how we do this. One of the ways to do it, or the way that I do it, I should say, is to write down the numbers that I'm multiplying across the top. So I do 3, and then I know I'm multiplying it by something, and 5. I know I'm multiplying that by something. And then I know that I'm doing it twice. So I automatically fill that in. Now, coming back to multiplying it across here. So I multiply 3 times 6, so I'm going here first, and then I'm doing 5 times 1. All right, now I need to come over to this second set. I'm doing 3 times a negative 2, and then the 5 comes over to the second column, and it's a 5 times a negative 5. All right. When you add these up, 18, negative 18, and a 5, you get a negative 13. And that's actually part of our answer. And the second one, let's move this out of the way actually, is a negative 19. All right, so let me set up our answer matrix. I know that I have 4 spots to fill. So I have negative 13 and a negative 19. All right, now I'm going to change colors, and I'm going to go to the next one. All right, so the two numbers that I'm using to multiply are negative 2 and a 1. And I'm doing the same method I did before. I know I'm multiplying it twice. All right, now coming over here, I need 6 times, a negative 2 times 6. So I'm coming over here, and a negative 2 times 1. Then I need negative 2 times a negative 2, and a negative 2, a 1 times a negative 5. All right, so let's put these pieces together. So I have negative 12, and 1 is negative 11, and I have positive 4 and a negative 5, and that equals a negative 1. So I have negative 11 and negative 1. Give it a try.